loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a makeup look, a more of a spooky glam, because I don't be doing all like the exotic makeups. I haven't tried that yet, so I don't know how good or bad I am at it, to be honest. But I feel like if I like get into it though, I could do it, but I'm not really into it, so I'm gonna just do a spooky glam. She's just staring at me. But yeah, and plus I don't have like the acrylic paint makeup type of thing. I don't have that, so I have to work with what I got. You feel me? I got regular palettes. You feel me? Regular palettes, and that's what we going with. All right. I have some colors in this one, but they decent. They not terrible. You feel me? I got the bright colors over here. They alright. But in this look, it's gonna be like a purpley type of, if that makes sense. I have a picture on my phone, matter of fact. I'm gonna pop it up right here. I have 3 different looks that I want to do, but right now I'm going for the first one. This look. Well, I'm gonna try. See, it's not giving exotic. You feel me? It's just like, simple, spooky but cute in a way, like spooky but glam. I do have little diamonds, so I'm gonna stick those on. This look is probably gonna take a little minute. I'm not gonna front because I have this one over here, and then yeah. I have the little diamonds. I could just put Vaseline to stick it on, just for pictures and stuff like that, because I'm not about to be sticking that to my face for real. Lashes, I don't have my lashes done, and I don't have strips, so we're gonna see what we're gonna do with that. And yeah, so basically, what she did right here, it looked like she just did her makeup regular, and then she just added like the little lines, and then she just added little stuff to it. So that should be easy, to be honest. That should be easy. And then I also seen this one. This one is cute. But see, I need that palette, I feel like, to like the acrylic paint. I need that to do these type of looks, because I'm not doing that with regular makeup. It's not even, it probably won't even come out right. But so we're gonna start off with Aquaphor. Sometimes I use primer. Sometimes I use a moisturizing cream. It just depends how I'm feeling. I use whatever, to be honest. But the reason I got this on my head is because I'm putting on a wig today. So yeah, at least for this look. I don't know if I'm going outside with it, but all right. So we just start off with foundation, I guess. Not even my eyes. We're gonna start off with the eyes first. Just carve them. I was dreading this video because I was supposed to do this video, but I be getting lazy. What, baby? I hate putting makeup on my hand, like letting it rest there. I don't like that. I was gonna wait to do this look, like after I come back from the supermarket, but that'll be pushing my videos back if I do that. I'm trying to like post more content. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'll be back when this is all blended out. Alright. Now I'm gonna set it. Alright, y'all. Let's see. This girl be trying to put the remote in her mouth, and I can't find her toy one. Her pink toy one that I bought her from TikTok shop. I can't find it. Alright, now I think I'm gonna go in with a little lighter pink. Alright, now we're gonna go back in with that darker and blend over the pink again. You gotta be messy with it. I see she's into Elmo now. That'll do. Right now, I don't have the wing liner. I don't have that. My mother has it. I don't even know where she got it at. Yeah. I'm mad the camera's not picking up. The camera's not really picking up. Her eyelids are different as well, so it's like she has more space, like a wide space. I don't. Her eyes are more like she got all that space. I don't. And then put it together. Now she wanna look at me. What's the problem? Alright, chat. So I don't have. I'm funny because I'm not even on stream and I'm calling y'all chat. This thing be itching. I get mad quick, and I be wanting to give up fast. So it's just like, just stick to what you could do. That's it. I might do my lashes off of camera. Now I'm gonna just add some lashes on. This is all coming off at the end anyways, so yeah. Alright y'all, so I did these quick lashes. They're individual. Like how I do it on a regular. Let's see. Yes, baby. Oh, Now we're gonna use. Try to use this one again. Did y'all believe I had this palette for like years and years and years, and I still haven't used some of them? I forgot to put blush. Why I keep forgetting to put blush? I don't get it. I don't. I don't. What color is this? The hell? I guess I don't need to put more. Alright, what did she do? She did. Yeah, no. Makeup palette. Like the liquid paint. I feel like I would have did better with that. Right here, this is not meant. This regular makeup is not meant for like all the exotic looks and all that extra stuff. I know the people who know how to do this stuff looking at me like, you're pissing me off. Baby, I told you I don't do this stuff, so I don't know. But oh shit. I'm just mixing colors at this point. This is Kayla's way of spooky glam. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta just trust the process, but honestly, I'm not trusting it right now. I'm getting mad right now, actually. Don't piss me off. Respectfully, don't piss me off. It don't look that cute right now because it look alright. It look decent. It look decent. I don't know what y'all talking about right now. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try to do this little quick. Ooh. That's fire. What are you talking about? She did. That's cute. Ooh. It look alright. I'm not gonna front. It look alright. The lips I could have did better too. That's fake cute. Stop playing with me, bro. Like, I need to get more of these gems. That ran out. Why I ran out just now? Um, it took me like 50 hours just to do this. Crazy, crazy. Let me stop. Y'all, we don't really go with it, but don't really go with it, but it's decent. It's decent. I hope you enjoyed me struggling doing this look. Next time I try to attempt to do like a look like this, I'ma have to get like the actual acrylic makeup and different brushes and stuff like that. But it's okay. Mm, whatever. I'm gonna take some good pictures though. You know, in the pictures you can't really see too much. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if y'all do want to see like something else. And if you do want to see something else, just like send me a picture or something on Instagram. And I could do it. I don't know. I'm gonna try. I feel like the highlight though, and these little things give is given. It's making it give. You feel me? But it's alright. I'll give it a from a 1 to 10. I give it like a 3, 4. I don't know. Y'all rate it. Y'all rate it and let me know. Y'all rate it and then yeah, from there I'll just work on it.